This morning we are in Bloomfield, Connecticut, doing a full roof replacement. Crew's getting set up now. Protect the windows and the fixtures. We'll start setting up the tarps soon and we'll get to stripping this roof. See the field manager's going over with the crew lead now, coming up with a plan. See the crew setting up on the back side of the house with the tarp. And they're putting the ladders up now. This should be a good one for them. Not too big of a house. See our dumpster here and our materials right in front of it. Really in the ideal spot so the crew can get everything up on the roof nice and easy. Good progress here. The house is fully stripped now. You can see they're prepping the surface. They've put a little bit of plywood up where it's needed. We just checked the attic too for mold and moisture just to ensure that we handle every situation that the house is dealing with right now. We want to protect this home. That's the whole point of doing this roof. Soon they're going to start putting the underlayment down and we'll get to putting the shingles on. You can see we're doing some cleaning by the front door. We want to make sure the homeowner can get out of the house nice and safe. So that's our priority right now, as well as the crews up there getting the ice and water ready to go on. Front side is almost all covered up. Crew's taking care of the finishing touches now, putting some lead on that chimney, putting these leaf guards back in the gutters. Shingles are installed. These guys did great today. Looks good. Roof is complete, and now we will do a walk around with the homeowner, go over everything that was done today, answer any questions. Make sure everything was taken care of and that they are satisfied.
Sandcastle, there it is. What do you think?
I love it. It's beautiful.
It is sharp.
Looks good.
Accents the house nice.
Yes.
Got the black shutters, a little lighter on the roof. All right, some things we went over. Your gutter guards are back in.
Okay.
Okay, we took those off. We talked about the little drip part over here. We're gonna hope that stays better.
Yes.
We don't want that to be a skating rink.
No more skating rink. Yes.
Right. Now, number one pipe. That's got a new boot around it.
I see.
A little ring of caulk around it. There's your new bath vent.
Okay.
That's that little hooded thing right there.
Wonderful,
okay?
wonderful.
There's another pipe boot there.
Okay.
What do you think? We clean enough?
Yep, this looks good. You wouldn't even know you were here.
That's my intent.
That's nice.
I want a full dumpster, a new roof on top, and other than that, I don't want you to know we
I
were
saw
here.
all the stuff out here. Like, are they
It
gonna
looked-
be able to get everything
It looked pretty
up?
bad, didn't it?
Oh yeah, they're good. They're good.
They're good. I don't exactly know which way you moved these, right?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
What is it?
They usually I have it going out this way.
Here,
Oh, okay.
just like that?
Yep, just like
Okay.
that. Yep.
So again, all nice and clean.
This is nice. It looks good.
Now, there's another pipe boot in there. And if
Mm-hmm.
we step back a little further, you're gonna see all the nice new lead wrapped around the chimney.
Oh wow. Okay.
You get 3 layers of protection there now.
Okay.
You get the
Because
flex material, got lead step flashing, and then the lead pants.
they showed me.
You're
He
good.
said it was like caulking around there. So
Yeah.
what is that doing? That's nothing.
Well, there's caulking up against it.
No, but I'm
brand
just saying
new,
that
but
was showing.
somebody, yeah,
Yeah.
they tried to patch it up prior.
That looks good.
Somebody
that looks
along the
really
line.
good.
Okay, you had moved this material.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Okay. So
I wanted to make sure you had enough room when you were working.
98% sure that dumpster's going to be gone tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. Now this is a little bit leftover material.
Okay.
If your house measures 20 square, we order for 22, 23 square.
Okay.
Just to make sure we have
Right.
enough. The building supply place, they'll be back to pick that up.
Okay.
Give it about 5 business days, maybe 7 business
Okay.
days. Put in there. You don't have to be here. Like I said, the dumpster will be gone already.
Okay.
So,
I like those boots around. That looks nice.
yes.
It seems like it raises the vents up. Does it raise them up some, or is it just still the same size?
It's still the same size.
Oh, okay. That looks good.
But they're newer, more improved than the older
Yeah.
ones.
That looks good. And I like the way you put that metal pieces, the pieces
Yep.
around the chimney. That looks really nice.
All told, there's basically 1 new sheet of plywood.
Okay.
A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Like I said, we cut those pieces out.
That looks good. That looks
Okay.
really good.
Your coordinator will reach back out to you.
Okay.
Let you know what they're going to do. You've already done the final payments and all, but
Yes.
there's still that 1 piece of plywood. We'll see what happens.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
This is for you. My
Okay.
name and number's on there.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to hand you this. Give that to a friend.
Okay,
Give it to
will
a
do.
neighbor. Give it to a coworker. Give it to
Okay.
somebody.
Okay.
Get our word out there.
Yes.
Tell them to give me a call. All right.
I will.
Now, you can do something for me since you're so happy.
Yes.
You scan this with your phone. Mm-hmm. All right. It'll bring you to a Google site.
Okay.
Leave a review for me.
Certainly will.
Not necessarily for me, but for
For the
Rhino,
team, the whole
for Rhino
team.
Back, right?
Oh, yeah.
A few kind words with it, it'd be fantastic.
Okay. Okay.
The phone inside?
The phone says hi.
All right. I'll walk you up.
Okay.
Because this stays with me.
Oh, it does. Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll just scan
You
it.
just boom, hit it, and that'll be good.
The guys, they were quick, they were fast, they were efficient, they knew what they were doing.
Put
and you know what
that-
I was impressed with? When you put the ladder over the
Air conditioner?
because I was worried about that. Like, are any of the pieces going to hit the AC? Nope. You had the ladder up, and then you had the little piece to shimmy the stuff up.
Yeah.
That was nice.
The ladder raiders, we call it.
Okay, that's what that is. Okay. Nice.
All the material goes up and down on that.
Yeah.
It saves a lot of over the
Okay.
shoulder carrying up and down the ladders.
Yeah, nice.
It's a good system.
Good system.
Now, I'd also like to leave that yard sign out.
Sure.
When you're ready to make it go, you can make it go. But until
Okay.
then,
Okay, I'll leave it out for a while. Yes.
let the neighbors see it.
Tell them this is the place to use. This is great.
Yeah.
This is fantastic.
Well, I really like it.
I called other places, had somebody come out. They don't compare to what you do. Don't
We
compare.
like to hear that.
Yeah, don't compare. They don't even come close. Not even come close. Just the material, just everything that you do on the roof and
So
protected.
good experience all the way
Oh
through.
yeah, all the way through.
Awesome.
I was impressed when he
Awesome.
came out and showed me everything that he was doing. I said, nah. Like no, I had to go this route because I've been here 34 years, and I knew since I've been here, it's been nickeled and dimed and not done quite right.
Right.
I said I need to have it done correctly.
Well, here it is.
And when the guy came out, we spoke. I was impressed.
Yeah.
I was impressed.
Noise wasn't too bad. You
Oh
said
no,
you had to
not
go
at all.
downstairs for a little
And I
bit?
thought I moved things around in the house. I thought things were going to shake and shimmy. No, nothing moved. Nothing moved. Everything stayed in place. So
Fantastic.
I was impressed. I was impressed.
Good, good, good.
Yeah.
All right, let's
Okay.
go grab the phone.
Okay. Yes.
I can let you have some peace and quiet.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you very much. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.